Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn more borders in Kalamkari art style. So let's start. So the first border which I am going to draw is a very common border in Kalamkari, and for this we are drawing line, then we'll draw another line, just any measurement. There's no rule for measurement. Then approximately 2 centimeter, draw another line, and then fourth line. Now, in upper line, as we know, the use of black color is very prominent in Kalamkari also. So, we will draw a curve. This is a curve border. This is normally done with black color. Now, we have two curves, just like the heart, but not the heart. Then they will be connected with each other with a oval. Now here we can have any number of petals like lines. Now if we want to paint it, then first we have to make the lower one. We'll take any color, whichever color we want, and we'll draw paint. We'll leave the inner part of the petal white. In Kalamkari, when we show white color, we leave the original color of the cloth or canvas or paper. But if you are painting on the wooden MDF board, such things, then we have to show the white color. We have to use the white paint. You can use any type of paint, acrylic, poster colors, oil colors, watercolor. That's your choice. Brush pen, whatever is comfortable to you. Sometimes we have to use white color to cover these pencil marks also. So our first border is ready. Let's come to next border. For next one, again we will draw the line. This line is 11 centimeter. And the gap between two is 3. I'm marking after a dot after 2 centimeter. Roughly, so that I know where I have to draw the next one. So this design is extremely simple design. Everybody knows this mango design. On the top we can give simple curve. Inside the mango we have 3 layers. Now, if we want to fill colors, then normally we leave the mango blank, either the mango blank or the outside blank. One thing will be done. This is our second border ready. Let's come to the third border. Again, outline has to be in the black color. So I'm drawing again 11 centimeter long line. Mark at 2 centimeter. And first step is to draw a wave. Now, okay, so our third border is ready. The next one, I'm drawing 14. And same 2.5 centimeter you take. Now let me show you coloring in this. So normally they don't fill full color in the leaf. In this also, if we want to give, we can give some background color. In this we can do one more thing. If we want, we can give a line here with one color to beautify this border. This whole work will be done with 000 number brush. Okay, so this is fourth border. Next one is mostly in black color, and this is drawn when we are drawing a deity here, then this is drawn on the top. So this is our next design. Next one is we have to hold the brush in such a way that our line is very thin. Now this is something which is very simple, but just pay attention here for a minute. Please look at my hand, everybody. It's really very simple. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad.